Hi seafarers, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. Duties towards your spouse. This video is very important, but इसमें challenge है. The challenge is, say when I got married, I knew my wife for the last 10 years. I knew what her expectations were, how she was. So from the first year, I shared my financial planning investments with her, but she was not that much interested क्योंकि अभी तो वो घर पे ही adjust हो रही थी. And in a period of 2 to 3 years, she was involved in the financial part of my all my plannings and everything, and even today she is. But अभी बच्चों के साथ busy है तो कम टाइम दे पाती है. But for me it is very important that she becomes financial literate and she knows all about my accounts. Why? दो चीज़ें. जब मेरी वाइफ को मेरे अकाउंट्स के बारे में पता चला एंड द मोमेंट मेरी वाइफ ने मेरे ATMs अपने पास रखने शुरू करे, मेरा पैसा बचना, माई आई स्टार्टेड सेविंग मनी. A lot of relatives earlier used to ask for money, but now they knew that the money is with my wife, so they stopped asking. When they asked me, I used to give, I never used to get that money back, and ये एक fact है. So wife के आने से भी फर्क पड़ता है. But on the other hand, I have seen some people जिन्होंने अपनी wife को बताया, उसके बाद wife की आंखें चकाचौंध हो गई. She started spending a lot of money, and even some people thought कितना पैसा है तो कल को divorce में एलुमनी मिल जाए, सब चीज़ें. I have myself been a financial disaster as a mariner. To be very honest, my financial journey is just 6 months old. So whatever I say in this video, take it with a pinch of salt. The idea is to create that interest or fear so that you start learning. If you really are interested in learning as a seafarer, because nobody is there to guide us, join my WhatsApp channel. The link is in description box, where honest, trustworthy people hopefully will be guiding you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. So when I am talking about duties toward your spouse, I am talking about when you have won your spouse's trust and your spouse has won your trust. अब ये 1 साल में हो, ये 3 साल में हो, ये 4 साल में हो, that matters. Generally बच्चा होने के बाद ये चीज़ fast and forward हो जाती है. But at the end of you are married to someone and you do not trust someone, say after 1 year, 2 year, then that marriage is not successful. बॉस तुम तो एक रॉकेट के ऊपर चल रहे हो, कहीं तो भरोसा करना पड़ेगा ना यार, नहीं तो कैसे होगा बताइए मुझे. भाई somebody is your life partner, कोई आपके बच्चों को जन्म दे रहा और आप कह रहे हो नहीं यार मैं अभी से भरोसा नहीं करता, बाद में करूँगा, पता नहीं कैसे रिएक्ट करेगी क्या करें. डोंट डू दैट. सेकेंड थिंग इज, अनदर सजेशन इज ऑलवेज टेल योर वाइफ अबाउट. तो फर्स्ट थिंग इज ऐसे शुरू करते हैं, मेक योर वाइफ फाइनेंशियल लिटरेट. भैया कितना आ रहा है, कितना जा रहा है, प्रॉफिट में है, नुकसान में है, ये पैसा आया, वेयर डिड इट गो, किसको दिया है, कितने लोगों को दिया है, घर पे क्या खर्च किया है. शी शुड नो. आई टेल यू द फायदा इज, समटाइम्स यू फील अरे घर पे भाई के ऊपर इतना पैसा लगा दिया, आई विल नॉट टेल माई वाइफ. बता दोगे नेक्स्ट टाइम लगने से पहले एटलीस्ट शी विल क्वेश्चन. आपको लगाने लगाइए, बट अरे क्यों लगा रहे हो, क्यों लगा, तो एक बार को आप भी सोचोगे. बिकॉज आई वॉन्ट टू टेल यू वन थिंग, येस वी वॉन्ट टू डू गुड फॉर आवर पेरेंट्स, वी वॉन्ट टू डू गुड फॉर आवर सिबलिंग्स, वी वॉन्ट टू डू गुड फॉर आवर फैमिली. बट होता क्या है, जब तक आप करते हो तब तक एवरीथिंग इज फाइन. द मोमेंट यू स्टॉप डूइंग एवरीथिंग एल्स जस्ट गोज बैक. So do things till the time they are under your control. Second thing is when it comes to sibling or other part, आपको ध्यान रखना है कि you are, especially your siblings, you are not there to feed them for life. You have to make them sensible enough so that they can earn themselves, right? So financial literacy बहुत ज़रूरी है. Include her, him in financial planning. They should know your investments. This is one of the most important. What if something happens to you tomorrow? She has got your children. She has to take care of the family. She does not know where your money is. So always think that when she should know. Third is, have a house in your own name, especially if your parents' house is shared with siblings. So generally क्या होता है, we seafarers what we do is we have got a house, parents का house था, we make it big, siblings are there, you get married, family के साथ नहीं बनती है, and then you get separated and then you want a share in the house. Parents say who are you, we don't like you, you were there son, but it did not get gelled with your wife and now they hate you as well. The house, everything goes to your younger sibling and you feel cheated. Well, you are sensible enough. It is not about cheating. It's not about parents were wrong or you were right or your wife was wrong. It is all about your interest. So please, घर वालों के ऊपर जो खर्च करना करिए, but अपने नाम पे घर होना चाहिए. That is very very important stuff. Next thing, if you are married and you have got term insurance, know about Married Women Protection Act for term insurance. I will teach you guys later. In this is something, say you have got a term insurance of 1 crore rupees, something happens to you, 1 crore will go to your family, you say nominee your wife, but tomorrow you have got a house loan or something like that, the government, the bank can come and say bhaiya we need that 70 lakh rupees from that 1 crore rupees, because you have to pay the loan, your husband has to pay the loan, but if you have filled this MWP, nobody can take that money, no bank, no mortgage, nothing. That money goes to your wife only, so you have to know that. But iske again kuch positives and pros and cons hai, which we'll be discussing in the insurance section. Involve your spouse in all insurance discussions. So if you are taking any insurance, term insurance, medical insurance, involve her कि भाई मैं ये क्यों ले रहा हूँ, इसमें क्या है, where the card is kept, how much is insurance, if something has happened to you and she is not aware where the card is kept, what are the privileges that you have got, everything is screwed. So make her independent that way as well. Include your spouse in all property investment decisions. Very very important. आप घर कहाँ ले रहे हो, क्यों ले रहे हो, this is very very important. इसे आप बिल्कुल उनको इंक्लूड कीजिए. लास्ट में कीप योर स्पाउस इन्फॉर्म्ड ऑन एनी मनी गिवन टू रिलेटिव्स और फ्रेंड्स. ये भैया पता होना चाहिए. समटाइम्स आई फील इफ यू आर नॉट स्मार्ट इनफ, योर वाइफ कैन टेक केयर ऑफ द मनी और शी कैन आस्क देम कि भैया पैसे कब दे रहे हो वापस. आपको उलझन हो रही है. सी फेयरर्स एज मेन वी जेंटली डू नॉट आस्क, बट आवर वाइफ्स कैन डू दैट वेरी बेटर. तो ये 5-7 चीज़ों का आप ध्यान रखिए. इट विल हेल्प यू डू बेटर. अगेन वंस अगेन गाइस, एवरीथिंग आउट हेयर रेस्ट ऑन वन वर्ड एंड दैट इज ट्रस्ट. ट्रस्ट ट्रस्ट. जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय माता.